This is Amy Chan from CakeDecoratingSchool.com, and if you like cake decorating, you're in the right place. If you're interested in these products, check the links in the description.
Spatulas. These cake or icing spatulas are a useful tool to have on hand if you're into baking and especially into cake or cookie decorating. And they're useful in a variety of different tasks. And as you can see, we tend to keep multiples of the same kind on hand just because they're so useful. And it's easy to have a lot so that you don't have to stop and wash something in between tasks, but because you might want to say change up exactly what you're doing or the color of frosting or icing that you're using. These straight ones are fantastic for mixing colors. Some people actually like them for frosting small cakes, and I like them especially for going around the edges of my cake pans when I'm looking to release my layers of cake. I like these small offset ones, right? That's in reference to the fact that the blade is offset from the handle. For icing the tops and sides of my small cakes. They're also great for lifting small objects like flowers. Say if I've piped a bunch of buttercream flowers and I want to put them on, as an arrangement on top of one of my cakes. And they're a handy tool for lifting those and delivering them to that perfectly precise spot. These tapered offset spatulas, right, that have the skinnier end on the point are fantastic for lifting and placing really small objects, for creating small subtle textures and lines and grooves and maybe the size of the frosting. But I also really love them for cookie decorating. So since we do a lot of cookie decorating, we've got several different ones on hand, and that makes it easy if you're using several different kinds of icing to just whiz through your project without having to stop and do a round of dishes. They come in a wide variety of different handle types. The wooden ones are typically cheaper and are perfectly fine if you're going to be doing tasks for long periods of time, or if you have any issues like arthritis or with your dexterity with your hands. Investing in ones with larger, fatter plastic handles, some of which you'll notice have convenient grips, can be a way to ease that work for your hands and make them easier to hold for longer periods of time. So you want to keep in mind what you're doing when you're buying spatulas and also how long these tasks are going to take you, so you buy the appropriate ones for your needs.
If you enjoyed this video and you'd like more about the cake decorating materials and equipment we use, or just some inspirational videos about cake decorating itself, you can follow us on Insta or YouTube at Cake Decorating School. If you'd like to know more about yearly membership and what it entails, you can go to www.cakedecoratingschool.com for more information. And if you're interested in these products, you can check the links in the description.